Has anybody told you it was bad in here? The jungle. The cushion spot. Anybody at 5:30 in the morning after a hot Saturday night ever tell you was bad in here? This is sex talk. Drinking all night, or smoking, music playing. You don't know them, they don't know you. Anybody ever told you was bad in this? Anybody ever tell you your sex is bad? You ever heard that? Nah, man, I ain't nobody ever told me my sex was bad, man. So you've never got into an argument with anybody, a male or a female, who in their rant, and these are the people that probably love you. They've never said to you that your sex was bad, and they was just being nice to you because you was a nice person, because you helped them with their kids, or you help pay bills and cut grass and stuff like that. They're being nice and polite to you. You thought she was telling the truth when she was laying there. Oh my God, you killing me. Oh my God, oh my God. Junior, oh, you killing me. You thought she was for real, didn't you? She got 6 kids by 4 different baby daddies, and you thinking you doing something. Oh my God. We doing sex talk in this thing here. The bed. That's a hiccup in the conversation. Don't get fooled into thinking your sex game is better than what it is. People lying to you. It ain't that damn good. It's not. And it ain't that much better or worse than anybody else the other person has been with. It ain't. They're lying to you. Sex ain't all that. So I see why women decide as they get older to just scrap the whole fucking program completely, focus on their money, and focus on what you can do for them. Sex game, they've been there, done that. Big, small, medium, working all the time, not working all the time, blue pills, all of that. They know it all. Sad stories, quickies, dried out, ripped, one night stands, roofies, passing out, raped, rope, gangbangs, trains. The sex talk. So I'm going to put on here a parental advisory for the kids to not get educated enough to know about this bullshit. They don't need to know that their parents is full of shit and sex craved when they was in their 20s and 30s until they learn that their eraser fucking life is useless and all they did was have wet asses and all of this stuff. Nothing to fucking show for it. So now the game plan is new. Get the money, bag. They ain't fucking for free. Where the money at? So for all you motherfuckers think you got game, that you dropping some shit that's fantastic, I'm gonna make her amazed with my muscles, tattoos, dreadlocks, combat boots or whatever else, black skin, light skin, wars. All of this fuck shit is for nothing. So I'm saying right now, because relationships don't work, I'm an advocate for fuck all of this shit. Do whatever you gonna do, whenever you gonna do it, and that's it. Ain't gonna be no attachments. There ain't gonna be no relationships cultivating, developing into something nice, because somebody's gonna fuck it up. I guarantee it. And you can't say it's me, because I'm not in every goddamn relationship that exists. Who was that? Master P and with it. Oh, it ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. I'm just doing sex talk.